Hey, baby, did you know the largest earthquake ever in Texas was in 1931? And they called it the Valentine's earthquake, even though it happened in August. And it was a 5.8 or 6.4, somewhere between. And that is the most powerful earthquake in Texas in the modern age. And the reason I'm mentioning it, because there was a 4.7 earthquake, 8.7 kilometers shallow, today in Hermle, Texas, which is by Odessa Permian. I don't know if you know this, but American Oil is called West Texas Intermediate, and this is West Texas. So they drain a lot of oil out of here and then replace it with water. How stable that is, I do not know. But with all the big planets in the same side of the sun, I'm talking Uranus, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Eris, and Pluto over here, all kind of lined up, and Earth flying way over here on the other side. Anyway, we are watching for anything, anywhere. That's how it works. And a coronal mass ejection is coming. Gross. Yesterday, February 15th, a magnetic filament straddling the sun's equator erupted and hurled a partial halo coronal mass ejection towards Earth. Earth is a yellow dot in the NASA model of the approaching CME. This will hit around the 17th. Be kind of like a glancing blow, which will mean, be on the lookout for earthquakes, volcanoes, animals, and people acting extra interesting. Okie dokie. And because it is February 2023, we are on asteroid UFO balloon watch. Here tomorrow, we got a couple 1.4s coming through. It is the smaller, closer ones that you don't see until they get real close. We've been hit by 3, and I mean Earth when I say we, in the last 10 days. So that's pretty anomalous, yo. The super weird signals, earthquake, volcanoes, are back. And I know yesterday I was talking about down here, there was an earthquake that was like a 5.2, but it was in a really weird place. And so I'm not surprised to see the earthquake volcano signals reappear. So interesting things all over. And that includes the weather. You can see lightning stranding up here. You're watching out for severe weather breaking out, straight line winds, hail, possible tornadoes as the storm moves to the east. And then you got snow and ice and gravity waves up at the top. Did you see those? Wowzers. The gravity is waving hello, so it's best to wave back. How are you doing today? I am in an extremely good mood because yesterday was the 10-year anniversary of Asteroid Fight Club, and Asteroid Fight Club is pretty great. We have prevented civilization from collapsing. We have avoided World War III for 10 straight years. And we have stayed cool the majority of the time. And that includes an almost American Civil War. That includes almost World War III, like every day. And we made it through a damn pandemic. And now we got to deal with the artificial intelligence dystopia and then all the other shit that will come along with the big changes as we go into March. And Saturn and Pluto change signs, which will be a big deal, And when the sun acts weird, Earth weather acts weird, people kind of act strange. And so yesterday we got hit by major energy, which caused some super red aurora up in the sky, in the heavens. It was auroraing all over. Well, Asteroid Fight Club has lasted longer than Susan Wojcicki, who was the CEO of YouTube. She's now stepping down. I wonder, does that mean I'm still shadow banned? All right. Models are schizophrenically saying, I don't know what's going to happen next week, man. Somewhere rotating between, oh my God, it's going to be really cold, and oh my God, it's going to be really hot. So we'll keep an eye out. But like I keep saying, usually if I give you a warning about a major storm or a major event month, 10 times, it means it's going to be legit. I'm telling you, March is going to be crazy, yo. Of the 3 asteroids that hit Earth, and technically when they hit Earth, they become meteorites. They become meteors in the sky and then meteorites when they hit the ground. 2023, kooky, Xanadu. I only know like 2 X words. There's extreme, I guess. Kooky Extreme 1. Small asteroid. They said it was tiny, but the tininess made it to Earth. Look at that. Everybody's like, yay, we found an asteroid. But I'm like, didn't you guys see science fiction movies where like Sometimes they have a virus on the asteroid and then everybody gets infected and goes around eating chocolate or brains or whatever. Anyway, strange days indeed. Wicked Dove's weather going, hey, wow, check out these aurora. Yesterday, when they were like, hey, can you hear me now? People were like, no. Apparently, T-Mobile went down for a while because of a cyber attack. Why is everybody attacking everybody all the time? Why can't we all just be cool, get along, and enjoy life together? I would say cyber attack D's nuts, but then someone might take it figuratively, and I'll be like, oh my gosh, why did I say that? So I won't say it, Click, click, boom. Wait, where'd it go? All right, now if we watch this together, this is the disk over the sun, and bam, that is the activity from the sun. That was a coronal mass ejection. Anyway, ahead of the cold front, tons of heat records were broken in all these places. Apparently it was hot. And to follow up from yesterday, several people reported a very large bang and shaking near Mission, Texas. Hidalgo County Sheriff said that Houston Air Traffic Control had received 2 reports involving a meteorite west of McAllen. Good luck to everybody who goes meteorite searching. All right, I'll be keeping everybody posted. You are awesome. Thank you very much to everybody out there who's been staying cool and who has made planet Earth a good place to live, even though a lot of shit gets crazy all the time. Do your best to have fun, because fun is always great. All right? God bless everyone. Stay cool. Talk to you soon. You can hit the button now.